Hi everybody, I'm back for attempt number 3 on getting the nice little pearly cells. As you can see, I have another do-over canvas here. This one's been scraped. I get my, this is a 1 cup measuring cup. I don't need a full cup. I need about 7 or so ounces. And this time I have not thinned my paints down. I have my DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. This is mixed with Floetrol about 50-50. I did not thin it down with water. I'm going to put just a dab of that in there. I have a Quinacridon Magenta. I go in with that. I have a medium yellow. I'm going to put some of my self-mixed purple in. And some phthalo blue next to that. And then put just a little bit more the Extreme Sheen in there. Like I said, I'm looking for little pearly cells. So back in with a little more yellow, a little more magenta, a little more of the purple, and a little bit more blue. It's probably way more paint than what I need. And like before, I did not cover this canvas with any paint this time. That's another thing I did the last time. And I'm hoping that it just rolls over this gold. So here we go. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I feel like I'm holding my breath. Keep trying and trying to just get the nice round pearly gold cells. And they keep coming out kind of wonky for me. I'm going to turn this. Oh, I didn't want to drip like that. Oh man, the cup looks so very cool. Okay. Let's give it a torch. The air bubbles out. There is the coolest green coming out on this side right here. It's all shimmery from the gold. It's very cool. Okay. And I'm just going to move it slowly. Let it roll over that gold. Put a little bit more gold in it this time. Paint to the center, and I'm just gonna go for this corner right here. This time I'm gonna return it, get it back towards the center. Go for this top corner. Bring it back. Down to this corner. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the weight of the paint is right there with the center spiral of the pour. So I'm trying to get that back to the center of my canvas. And then I'm going to bring it right down to this corner. Bring it back up. Okay. Got some cells popping up. They're a little bit rounder. Just checking to see how much paint is on here. I love this color combination. It's beautiful green over here. Very iridescent from the gold in there next to the yellow and the blue. I think I'm getting closer because I'm getting some nice little round cells. I like the way it looks like a fireball shooting across. Alright guys, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and come back and see what develops. I'm getting excited. It looks so cool. Okay guys, so it's been about 10-15 minutes. Over here playing on a little board doing some experimenting, and I have some pearly cells. They're not perfectly round, but they are much closer to my goal. So give you a close-up. I like the center. Looks like a fireball. There's some of the cells. Like I said, they're not perfectly round. It looks like fire over there. Some more cells coming out there. Not so much over here. Little tiny bits there and there. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Sticking with me through all this experimentation. And I think my next step is a little bit thicker paint. So I'll give it a try and see what happens then. Again, thanks for visiting with me. Have a good day. Bye.